Is a private trust only for billionaires, or could it be your family's most overlooked wealth shield? Today, let's decode the Indian Private Irrevocable Trust, a structure that's far more powerful than most people realize. Essence of a private trust: a private trust isn't a company or a partnership. It's a legal obligation created under the Indian Trusts Act of 1882. It brings together three important roles: the settlor, who creates the trust and transfers assets, the trustees, who safeguard and manage those assets, and the beneficiaries, who enjoy the benefits. In an irrevocable trust, once assets are transferred, they permanently move out of the settlor's estate. And that's where real protection begins. What assets can be settled? A trust can hold almost any asset of value. This could include immovable property like land or houses, financial investments such as shares, bonds, or mutual funds, business interests in a company or partnership, and even personal valuables like art, jewelry, or collectibles. That flexibility makes the private trust one of the most versatile wealth protection tools available. Why irrevocable matters: here's where many people misunderstand the real strength of a trust. In a revocable trust, the settlor still controls the assets, meaning creditors, courts, and tax authorities can reach them. But in an irrevocable trust, assets are ring-fenced. The settlor cannot take them back. And that ring-fencing is what creates genuine succession planning and long-term protection. The role of the trust deed: the trust deed is the foundation of everything. It identifies the beneficiaries and their rights, defines whether they get income or corpus, sets out trustee powers and succession rules, and establishes how wealth will flow across generations. It can even place conditions like age, marriage, or education milestones before distribution. A carefully drafted deed ensures that wealth remains protected and disputes are minimized. How is it created? So, how do you actually create a private trust? The process begins with clarifying the purpose, whether it's succession planning, asset protection, or caring for a dependent. Next comes drafting the trust deed, appointing trustees, defining beneficiaries, and finally, settling assets into the trust. Where property law requires, the trust is registered. Once set up, the trust stands apart as a distinct legal relationship separate from personal ownership. Immunity from family partitions: unlike a Hindu undivided family, or HUF, a private trust does not dissolve automatically. Beneficiaries cannot force a partition unless the trust deed explicitly allows it. This helps reduce disputes and ensures that trustees follow the rules of the deed strictly, maintaining family stability around wealth. Protection in matrimonial disputes: in divorce proceedings, trust assets are not counted as part of an individual's marital estate. Beneficiaries can still enjoy the benefits, but without direct ownership, limiting spousal claims. This makes a trust a strong safeguard in matrimonial disputes. Tax position: from a tax perspective, a trust is recognized as a separate taxable entity in India. The taxation depends on whether it's a specific trust where beneficiaries have fixed shares or a discretionary trust where trustees decide distribution. The focus of a trust is not on aggressive tax planning, but on sustainable estate preservation across generations. Shield against creditors and litigation: one of the most practical advantages of an irrevocable trust is its protection from creditors and lawsuits. Since the assets no longer belong to the settlor personally, they cannot be attached or liquidated for personal debts, defaults, or business risks. It's an effective safeguard against unexpected litigation. Dispelling the myth: many assume that trusts are reserved for ultra-rich families. But that's a myth. Even a property worth 10 to 20 lakhs, a small business stake, or a modest investment portfolio can and should be protected in a trust. It's not about scale, it's about securing what matters. Strategic value. While an HUF mainly provides tax efficiencies, a private irrevocable trust provides something bigger: true wealth protection. It safeguards assets from disputes, divorces, and creditors. It enables smooth and controlled transfer of wealth across generations. And most importantly, it allows families to distribute wealth in a structured, planned way, aligned with their long-term vision. So, a private trust isn't just a legal formality. It's a shield for your family's legacy and future. Follow for more insights. Stay informed, stay compliant.